Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today's video is basically going to be a little summer day in my life. I'm finally done with last semester. Today is going to be a mixture of a productive day. There's definitely a few things that I want to really get done, but then I might do a few fun things here and there later in the day. I just basically figured I would bring you guys along today with whatever I'm doing. I was kind of in the mood to vlog as well, so I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna vlog today even though I wasn't technically planning on it. I definitely want to unbox a few packages. I did make a little Amazon order a few days ago, so I just kind of want to show you guys what I got because I'm actually really excited to unbox that. I also do have several things from Target that I really want to show you guys as well. I might have a few things from like Victoria's Secret and Pink. I need to do laundry now that I'm looking at it because that thing is like almost full. We're technically still in the spring, so I'm gonna do some spring cleaning even though it's more like summer cleaning or whatever. I really need to vacuum my room once again because again it got really dirty and it has like my dog's hairballs all over the carpet. And then later today I might go to the Battery. I guess I'll bring you guys along a little bit while we're over there. But yeah, it's gonna be a really fun day though. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram and on TikTok as well. Let's go on and get started with today's little summer vlog. So I think I'm actually gonna start off by unboxing and just hauling a lot. Is hauling a word? I really just want to show you guys everything that I got from Amazon. I got a bunch of things from Target, TJ Maxx, and Victoria's Secret / Pink. But yeah, so let's start with Amazon. These have just been sitting in my room for the longest because like I said, I wanted you guys to open them with me. I was actually at like a TJ Maxx, I think. I saw these super cute little kind of like letter trays or organizers. I don't even know what you call these actually. I obviously didn't buy the ones that were in the store because I felt like Amazon would have had cuter choices. Oh, they're called acrylic inbox organizing tray. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, so I got these acrylic little organizers for my papers. Is that a scratch on it or is that just me being annoying? But this is what it looks like. I just wanted an acrylic one and I actually ended up buying 2 of these. That way I could actually stack them on top of each other. I'm always in my desk area editing videos and stuff, so I just want to start making it a little bit cuter. I actually kind of want to find another little table to put these on because these might take up too much space on my desk area. Oh my god, this actually does look super cute. The only thing is that they don't like stick together. I'm just gonna have to find a separate little table to put these on, but once I start putting like my papers in here, it'll start looking so cute. I really liked the whole acrylic look just because it doesn't take away too much from like my other room decor. Yeah, I just feel like these are gonna help me stay organized better as well. I will be linking everything that I got from my Amazon package down below. I might link a few things from my Target haul as well, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And then the last little item that I got from Amazon, because I didn't order too many things since those acrylic things were kind of pricey, like they add up. I didn't want to spend too much, but I actually finally got a gua sha and I have been wanting one of these for the longest now. I do want to kind of test this out and I feel like a lot of people have said some really good things about this tool, so I just made sure to grab one from Amazon. I'll definitely keep you guys updated with that. Let's move on to Target. Oh my god, okay, I actually saw this little Soap and Glory body wash. I guess this one is called the Clean On Me one. I saw this on Maddie Bernard's Instagram story. I just love all the recommendations that she gives out. I literally sprinted to Target for this and I think it's so nice. It's so aesthetic. Like I just love this cute little packaging, so I'm gonna be saving that until I move out. Okay, please don't hate me for this, but I really actually needed these. I feel like I've said this several times now, but I do mainly use a cleansing balm to take off all my makeup, but there are a few days that I get home really late or I just feel like I need something fast. That's the only thing about cleansing balms. You definitely need to have the patience to like spread that thing all over your face and then take it off. So I did get these little travel Neutrogena packs. I feel like this will last me literally a year because I don't plan on using these like every single day or anything like that. I was just really starting to need something like this that takes my makeup off like in one wipe. Please don't hate me, I just kind of needed these, but I definitely won't be using them all the time. I also did grab 2 Celsius drinks. This orange one is like my favorite one ever, so I had to restock in that. I honestly haven't even been drinking them as much anymore. And then I got this peach vibe one, which I feel like I've tried this one out before and I really liked it, so I got it once again. And then I did grab this little pack of La Colombe or La Colombe. This was my first time ever seeing a little pack like this at Target. I literally just grabbed it, I went for it. I was like, you know what, I always drink these when I kind of want to treat myself a little bit more than just normal coffee, so I just went for it. I've actually never tried out this particular flavor before, so I'll definitely keep you guys updated with it. And then the second little Target bag, I actually restocked on shaving cream because I had one from the Target brand and it just wouldn't come out right. I don't know why. Yeah, so this was literally like 2 for $3. I know I just literally showed you guys a little shower gel from this brand, but I actually went back and I got another one, but a different sort of like scent or whatnot. This is the Soap and Glory Clean a Colada. So this actually smells so incredibly good. This one is actually a hydrating body wash. So this is the one I'm currently using right now. I have used it a few times. I'm just really obsessed with this one, so I'll definitely have it linked down below for you guys. And then the last thing that I got from Target for today's little Target haul is actually this Pinoxyl Acne Foaming Wash. I'll probably keep using my Youth to the People cleanser in the morning and like this one at night. My legs literally just fell asleep and it was like the worst feeling ever, so I had to change my angle up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue with what I got from TJ Maxx. I guess I'll go ahead and start off with this little shimmer highlight palette from e.l.f. and it's their Glow Gleam Beam highlighting palette in light. I swear I've seen this somewhere on Pinterest or TikTok. I also just think it's such a pretty palette. I was running out of coffee once again. I did grab one of these from TJ Maxx because I feel like they're probably a little bit cheaper, or maybe not, but like it was like right there. This is actually the medium roast. Nothing super exciting, but I love to have these every once in a while in the morning. I guess going along with the whole coffee theme, I actually ended up getting this Skinny Syrups 0 calories, 0 sugar, vanilla caramel cream flavor. I think this would be so good to put in my coffee every once in a while. It was literally only $4 as well, and it doesn't expire until 2023, so I have quite a few years to like use this up. This next little thing is mainly for people 21 and up. This is actually a margarita mix from the Skinny Mixes brand. This actually has no alcohol in it, so you just add tequila. I did try it out already and it was literally so good, so underrated, and once again it was only $4. So if you guys are ever in TJ Maxx and you see this, definitely recommend. It's so good. Yeah, I loved this one for all my margs. I actually saw this little castor oil at TJ Maxx. This one was $6, so I did feel like it was a little bit pricey, but this one supposedly is like the superior growth one, so maybe that's why it's a little bit pricier. But yeah, this is literally what it looks like. I feel like so many people often recommend castor oil on your lashes for them to grow a little bit thicker and more fuller and just longer as well, so I'm gonna be trying it out. And then the last two things from TJ Maxx is just like for my dog. I did grab her this little toothbrush kit. It actually comes with toothpaste that you don't have to rinse out. I wish the toothbrush was pink, but I just really wanted this like cool mint flavor for her. It looks like you could use this on cats or dogs. And then I also got her this little mint flavored bark bone breath chew stick. Yeah, nothing super exciting if you don't have a dog. Last little store is actually just Victoria's Secret pink. I'm starting to look for comfy little bottoms for whenever the semester starts, or even like for this summer. This is actually a little pair of shorts. I really like how it says pink on the back. I feel like it's so minimal, like you can't even tell that it's there. I feel like I really really prefer their more discreet branding, because sometimes they really do go overboard with like those big fonts. These are called shorties, and I got mine in a size large. It does have a little pocket in the back as well. I honestly thought these were going to be more on the shorter side, but once you put them on, they're honestly more like biker shorts, and they are more on the tight fitting side. So I got those, and then I also got this little pair of varsity shorts. I just loved the kind of like white detail that it has. It has it on the side. This is actually a size large as well. It does have pink on it, but once again, it's like very discreet. I mainly got these honestly to lounge around at home, but I'll probably end up wearing them to campus every once in a while. But these just looked so comfortable. I feel like I needed a cute little pair of comfy shorts to just edit and do stuff at home. And then the last thing that I got is actually this little honey scrub. This actually smells so good. If you guys love honey, you're just gonna love how this smells. I recently ran out of this scrub that I got from Amazon, so when I was there, I just saw this one and I picked it up to smell it, and I loved it. I think the packaging is also so cute as well. Like, I can't wait to put this in my bathtub. So these were the items I just really wanted to show you guys. I will be linking as many of these as I can down below in the description box. I'm actually going to go ahead and put these all away in their place, and then I'm going to do a montage of me cleaning my room a little bit more. Update, I actually cleaned up this whole area right here because I had so many things from everything that I unboxed. I also did put my laundry to wash. I still need to tackle everything on this side of the room and vacuum, but I'll eventually get back to that. But I just really quickly wanted to update you guys before I start doing that. I did take the stickers off of these acrylic organizers. I also did wipe it down just so it could be completely clean. Now we're gonna go on and continue with that little part of my room because it's so messy. As you could tell, I definitely made a lot of progress with this whole entire area. I did wipe down that whole surface right here, and then I actually washed my little diffuser because it tends to like build up mold inside of it. So I did wash it out, and then I put water in it and I refilled it because I honestly haven't used it in a minute since it did have mold and it was just ugly from the inside, and I was just kind of procrastinating on washing it. So I just turned it on and it's making my room smell a lot better. I also did vacuum. This area is probably gonna stay a little bit messy because it's like my PR sponsored slash things that I just need to film, but it already looks a whole lot better. I did kind of like reorganize my rack a little bit, and I have things over here that are gonna be in more videos. So it's obviously a little bit later now, and I actually changed because we're about to go to the Battery. This black romper is actually from Princess Polly.
Oh, hi.
And yeah, so Andres just arrived. I literally made him go home and change because he had a stain on his shirt.
Stains, which I'm the main character.
Oh my. I did put on these necklaces that are from Princess Polly as well. So this is my outfit of the night. Right now we're gonna go and leave for the Battery in a little bit. So I'll bring my vlogging camera along, but I'll probably only like show a few clips of us like while we're there.
Can I get me time now?
So we came to Fat Tuesday and there's a long ass line.
Really take these off.